New developments in Georgia's election interference case. Defendants Sidney Powell and Kenneth Chesebro will be tried separately from former President Trump and the other co-defendants. The judge's ruling was announced just hours before their attorneys appeared in court for a motions hearing today. Fox 5's Deidre Dukes is live at the courthouse with the day's developments. Deidre?
Yeah, in court this morning, Chesebro and Powell's attorneys asked the judge to allow them to interview grand jurors in the case. And they also want access to transcripts of witness testimony. The prosecution asking the judge to deny those motions today.
We recognize the challenges.
Attorneys for defendants Kenneth Chesebro and Sidney Powell spoke to reporters outside the Fulton County Courthouse after Superior Court Judge Scott McAfee ruled they will be tried separately from former President Donald Trump and other co-defendants in the case because of their request for a speedy trial.
Our client is entitled to a speedy trial. Our client's going to get a speedy trial, and we're not going to be the ones to try to delay that.
Chesebro and Powell are now scheduled to go to trial next month. The announcement came just hours before Thursday's motion hearing. During the hearing, the prosecution turned over a list of unindicted co-conspirators the defense had requested, but opposed a motion to allow Chesebro and Powell's attorney to speak with grand jurors and a motion to unseal special grand jury transcripts.
The bottom line, politics aside, partisanship aside, this is a criminal case. The prosecution's trying to send my client to prison. So the idea that I might want the same access to information that the state of Georgia has should not be very controversial.
Despite the state's objection, Judge McAfee indicated he was open to allowing defense attorneys to conduct voluntary interviews with members of the grand jury, but he wants them to submit a list of questions before ruling on the matter. The defense argued that they should have the right to review grand jury transcripts as they build their case. The judge did not rule on that motion, but told prosecutors to turn over transcripts for witnesses they plan to call. Now, Judge McAfee did say in court this morning that he does hope to have a jury selected and sworn in by November 5th. At the Fulton County Courthouse, Deidre Dukes, Fox 5 News.
All right, we'll continue to watch what happens. Thanks so much, Deidre.